Good evening, students. The annual postgraduate students course, which is a physical in-person course of conceptual orthopedics, is just around the corner. That means that it is exactly 1 week away. And I am really excited to see all of you, to be able to interact with you on live cases, which would be extremely benefit for you when you appear in the postgraduate examination, be it the MS orthopedics examination or the diploma orthopedics examination, DNB examination. Well, we have been interacting online, but as you are aware, an in person course or an interaction over a live patient is a different ball game. It not only gives you the three-dimensional outlook about a patient's presentation, but it also enables you to touch the patient, to feel the patient, to be able to measure for yourself what is the range of motion, to be able to gauge the circumference of the limb yourself, to be able to smell what sort of a discharge is there in an infected case. All these are extremely important and they cannot be duplicated on any online platform. So, dear friends, I would request you to make it a point to attend this course, which is going to be moderated by a galaxy of orthopedic surgeons, faculty, renowned national and international faculty is going to be there. I think it is going to be a real academic feast or treat. Do not miss out on it. Thank you very much. See you at Shah Auditorium, Civil Lines on the 10th morning. Thank you very much.